Hello, dear viewers. Today we will take a look at the high-yield checking account from Alliant Credit Union. If you are looking for a way to grow your savings, this product may interest you. Let's explore what it offers, what the terms are, and what the advantages and disadvantages are. Alliant Credit Union offers a high interest rate on checking accounts, up to 0.25% annually. This is significantly higher than most traditional banks. However, to qualify for this rate, you need to meet certain conditions. For example, you must set up an automatic transfer to the account or maintain a minimum balance. Now let's talk about fees. Alliant Credit Union does not charge a monthly maintenance fee if you meet the conditions, such as maintaining a minimum balance of $1,000. If your balance falls below this amount, a fee of $5 per month may be charged. It's also worth noting that using ATMs outside of the Alliant network may incur additional fees. To open a checking account, you need to fill out a few fields on the website. You will be required to provide your name, address, social security number, and contact information. You will also need to create a username and password for online banking access. The registration process is quite simple and takes just a few minutes. Now let's look at the advantages of this checking account. High interest rate, up to 0.25% annually. No monthly fee if conditions are met. Convenient online banking and mobile app. Access to a large number of ATMs nationwide. However, this product also has its disadvantages. The need to maintain a minimum balance to avoid fees. Limited options for international transfers. Some users report slow customer support. Overall, the high-yield checking account from Alliant Credit Union can be an excellent option for those looking to earn income from their savings. If you are willing to meet the conditions related to the minimum balance, this could be a profitable solution.